This how to 1 minute will show you how to install WordPress in subfolder or in subdirectory. First of all, log into your cPanel and click on Softacool's apps installer. And here search for WordPress. Click on install. And now select here your main domain where you want to create a subfolder or subdirectory for your WordPress installation. And in this directory box, write the subfolder name. And here we can see my subfolder or subdirectory URL. Then scroll down, you can change your WordPress admin username and password and click on install. And I've successfully installed my WordPress in a subfolder. Now let's visit the website. As you can see, it's perfectly installed in a subdirectory or in a subfolder. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.